You're about to drop a sick Minecraft build, the server's pumping, and suddenly, the dreaded login failed message pops up. Lunar Client, your trusty companion, has abandoned you. The world of Minecraft, once a vibrant playground, is now a locked fortress. This is a crisis. We've all been there. That infuriating moment when Lunar Client decides to play hard to get. But fear not, fellow Minecrafter, because we're about to dive deep into the heart of this problem. We'll uncover the most common culprits behind this login lockout and equip you with the tools to break through those digital walls. Let's start with the basics. Is your internet connection up to snuff? A weak signal can be the villain in this story. Check those bars, make sure you're not on a data desert. Next, double-check your login credentials. It's a classic, but you'd be surprised how often a simple typo or a forgotten password can be the culprit. But what if it's something deeper? Maybe Lunar Client itself is acting up. We'll explore how to troubleshoot the client, from clearing cache to updating to ensuring it's running smoothly. And let's not forget about those pesky firewalls and antivirus programs. Sometimes, they're a little too protective and block Lunar Client from doing its job. We'll show you how to create a peaceful coexistence between your security software and your favorite Minecraft launcher. But wait, there's more. We'll delve into specific error messages, because each one tells a unique story. Whether you're facing an invalid session or if connection timed out, we've got you covered. And if you're still stuck, we'll guide you through the process of contacting Lunar Client support. We'll also share some preventative measures to keep this login nightmare at bay. Regular updates, keeping your system clean, and understanding Lunar Client settings can go a long way in ensuring smooth sailing. So, if you're tired of being locked out of your Minecraft world, this video is your key to freedom. We'll break down the problem, offer practical solutions, and hopefully, get you back to building, exploring, and conquering those pixelated realms. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy mining.